Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First opening colors. Yes, dark green color. And the next one is red color, blue color, orange color, silver color. Stay with us. Silver color, brown color. Kids, the next one is dark pink color. Yes, black color. So many colors. Light pink color, Persian blue color. Stay with us. Persian blue color, sky blue color. Yes, yellow color, light green color, white color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Stay with us. A, B, C, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for God, H for hand, H, I for eyes, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, K for kangaroo. Yes, L for lemon, M for moon, N for nose, N for nest. Silver color. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. P, Q, R for rose, R for rice. Black color. S, T, U for umbrella, and the next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. Now we're writing the alphabet of W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.